This day has been nearly 6 years in the making. Today, the BC Court of Appeal heard the case of Prince George City Councillor Brian Skakun. He was found guilty of breach of privacy after releasing a private report to the media. Now, Skakun is hoping the province's appeal court will throw out his conviction and make legal history.
Brian Skakun hustles into the Prince George courthouse. Inside, his long legal battle is close to being over.
What I'm really looking forward to, I guess more than the result of the court, is to, finally put this to rest.
Inside the courthouse, 3 judges from BC's Court of Appeal are reconsidering Skakun's case. In 2008, the city councillor released a private document to the media. Skakun was found guilty of breaching the Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act. He was ordered to pay a fine.
I felt at the time that I had no choice but to do it that way if I wanted to get some action and the harassment and all the things that were going on that I brought up at the trial, that, I would do it. So that's what I ended up doing a long time ago.
According to Skakun's lawyer, the fact he released the information as an elected public official makes all the difference.
We'll see what the Court of Appeal does, but that's really the nub of the issue.
According to his research, the Local Government Act and the Community Charter are the main laws that direct city councillors. He believes freedom of information and privacy law should be secondary.
And so when this came across my desk, it piqued my interest, and it's been a matter of interest to me ever since.
From the start, John Duncan has been representing Skakun pro bono. This is a precedent-setting case, the first of its kind in BC.
The judge's decision could come down today or months from now. This case is already making legal history in BC. It's one of the rare occasions BC Court of Appeal judges are sitting inside the Prince George courthouse.
They are interested in administering justice locally, which is an important principle to the government and to the courts. And so I'm very thankful that they did decide to come here. As you heard Madam Justice say in the courtroom, they hope to do more of that.
As for Skakun, his legal issues haven't hurt his local popularity. He was re-elected handily in spite of the conviction.
Maybe it's defined me a bit more. I've always been quite vocal and outspoken, so I think that's helped, with my relationship with the general population. But this case, I don't know if it's hurt or helped.
Skakun has no choice but to wait while the justice system does its work. Camille McDonald, CKPG News.